flexibility, expandability, multimodal, biometrics technology, powered by totally integrated security solution. UBio Alpeta. UBio Alpeta is a web-based solution providing enterprise-level, intuitive user interface, custom graphical dashboard, modular solution addressing all your requirements. Flexible API allows the development of custom modules and report. Using our Alpeta Begs Builder development tool. Alpeta Begs Builder supports a creative and easy-to-use environment for developers. Published results can be viewed and modified in real time. A variety of components are available to assist the developer to improve development efficiency. UBio Alpeta's powerful biometric processing engine deliver exceptional performance. Alpeta will be available in 4 tiers, from a light version right through to our enterprise version. Flexible licensing options for organization of all sizes, from premium packages to mobile applications. Mobile key smartphone identification. UBio Alpeta addresses all your needs. Experience UBio Alpeta. The technology shine again. UBio Alpeta.